Identify the false statement. Cotangent squared of pi over 6 equals 3. Well, cotangent of pi over 6 is the square root of 3, and the square root of 3 squared is 3, so this is true. Tangent pi over 6 times cotangent 5 pi over 6 equals 3. What is tangent of pi over 6? Well, that's the reciprocal of the cotangent of pi over 6. So since the cotangent of pi over 6 is the square root of 3, the tangent would be 1 over the square root of 3. And what is the cotangent of 5 pi over 6? Well, that's going to be the same absolute value as pi over 6, so it's going to be square root of 3, but it's negative. So it'll be negative square root of 3 over 1. Multiply those together, and we get negative 1, not 3. The answer to this problem is B. Cotangent of pi over 4 is 1. Cotangent of 7 pi over 4 is negative 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Cotangent of pi over 3 is the square root of 3 over 3. The cotangent of 4 pi over 3 is also the square root of 3 over 3. So when you multiply those together, you get 3 over 9, or 1/3. The answer here is B.